gotta wear this shirt for this video. Just gonna get all my Hello Kitty gear on. I got the earrings, I got the shirt, the back of the shirt, so I could look perfect for this unboxing. I should get a Hello Kitty doll. Hello, what's good guys? It's your girl Justine, also known as Just Sold Out. Back here today with another unboxing. I got these guys from the Hello Kitty Cafe truck that travels around the nation. Not unboxing these, but don't worry, we have a sneaker as usual. After a long-awaited period, we are finally seeing a Hello Kitty Nike collaboration. Originally rumored to have existed in 2004, Hello Kitty and Nike have been in the talks to make a sneaker since then. Two of the most famous Nike sneaker designers, Steven Smith and Hiroshi Fujiwara, they were the only two designers to have ever created concepts for the Nike Hello Kitty collaboration. I'll drop images of their two concepts here. It's rumored that there's only about 60 pairs of these shoes. It unfortunately never made it into production for unknown reasons. After a long wait, we are finally getting the Nike Hello Kitty sneaker for everyone. I've always been a Hello Kitty fan since probably I was an infant and child. This is one collaboration that I've been dreaming of, and I'm just so happy I finally have it in hands. This sneaker retails for $140. The release got pushed multiple times in the US, went from May 2nd to May 27th, and then finally we did see the actual sneaker release on the Nike Sneakers app on June 10th. I believe Europe's release was on May 2nd, so they did get almost more than a month ahead of the US release. Apparently when the sneaker dropped on sanrio.com, it sold out instantly and it was near impossible to get. We all question bots, but will we ever really know? Let's get into the unboxing. First off, the lid. We have to start with the lid. I mean, wow, what a statement. One, love the Hello Kitty and Nike collaboration logo. I mean, this was just a very simplistic, bold, and beautiful, very on-brand collaboration logo. For some reason, that integration of the way that the bow is tilted and the way that the swoosh has these nice curvatures very similar to all of Sanrio's brand, it just feels like this was a collaborative effort and a collaborative idea. So you have one big logo on the very top of the lid. On the back side, you also have a smaller version of the logo. And then on the lid, you have the logo on each side of the box, except for, of course, that back side because you have that one there. You got your good old size sticker. The colorway is classified as University Blue, Black, White. I believe Prestos only come in full sizes, so if you're in between sizes and you're not sure, I'd say size down just because Prestos are known to run a slightly bit bigger than a normal sneaker. So since I'm a 5.5, I size down to a 5 men's. Let's open this baby up. No lie, when I opened this, I gasped because I was just so happy that we got collaborative tissue paper on the inside. So you'll see a little Hello Kitty face as well as the collaborative Nike Hello Kitty logo. Oh baby. Have an extra white layer of tissue paper. And then you absolutely have to know that on the inside of the box, there's a little cute Hello Kitty winky face that's sitting right there. So when you open your shoes, ideally with the size tag facing you, you will see that upon pulling your shoes out. Just a nice little touch. You gotta say, there was a lot of thought put into this packaging. Ooh, love, love, love. So here we have the Nike Hello Kitty Air Presto. Obsessed, obsessed. I am so obsessed with the shoe. My girlfriend Steph, she said it best. We work so we can buy things that our childhood self dreamt of getting. I would say my childhood self definitely dreamt of a Hello Kitty sneaker one day. Let's get into the shoe a little bit. You have your classic Nike Air Presto caging. Gotta love that you have some Presto branding on the medial side of the shoe. Very subtle, just engraved in there. You got black Nike logos on the medial and lateral side of the shoe. So you get your classic Nike Air Presto sole with an added detail for this collaboration. On the midsole, you have those classic 5 dots that are on all Nike Air Prestos. What is cute for this sneaker is that they added a little bit of coloring just because of the Hello Kitty face. So you'll see that there's a little yellow dot and then 2 black dots surrounding it. It literally looks like Hello Kitty's eyes and nose. Love that small little detail. It just feels like, you know, someone really thought about this collaboration and the little details that are part of the shoe that really add to the design. On the upper, it features a university blue neoprene. Of course, you have some beautiful Hello Kitty faces scattered all throughout randomly on the upper. It does seem like they tried to put the Hello Kitty center on all of the tongue. It should be noted that my right foot tongue is not centered, so it seems like maybe there's a little touch go with that. This neoprene, you can see the lines if you look at the sneaker very closely. So you can see the lines and the textures and that the Hello Kitty was definitely printed on. You have a white embroidered Nike logo where your toes go. And once you creep up the tongue, you'll see that the very top features a very cute Hello Kitty red bow. Not entirely sure what this material is, but it seems like it's some little plastic. It's likely that that was hard glued on into the shoe. It doesn't feel like it's going to be uncomfortable because next up is this almost like a velvet-like black lining on the inside. Love to see the premium materials on collaboration shoes, and this is a very nice touch with this being on the inside. I don't know, it feels like maybe a little Hello Kitty kind of touch. I can respect that. And this was the main reason why I knew I had to buy this sneaker, the back heel. I mean, look how cute it is. You have Hello Kitty's face, and I know how difficult that it probably was to make this mold. This is a special Hello Kitty mold that Nike basically invested into. I'm not entirely sure the process for these plastic pieces, but because of the way that the Hello Kitty is designed, it was also clearly painted on top of. And the fact that that can be stitched into a material to really give the shoe an upper its form. I just see the high investment into that, and I respect it and I love it. And also it's just the cutest thing, like I said, you could ever see in the shoe. And then you have a little heel tab, and it looks like it has a little bit of a reflective hit. Okay, is it reflective? Oh yeah, that is definitely reflective. So you got a little heel tab with a little reflective lining on it. Oh, I just love this. The sneaker comes complete with white shoelaces and red tips. Again, another nice little detail. I am not taking out these insoles. I have some kind of fear and thought that when you take the insoles out, you might not be able to get them back in as perfectly as they were. The insoles are fully designed from top to bottom in signature Hello Kitty illustration-like graphic. On the inside too, you can see all of the caging, which is pretty sweet because one thing that you really like about Air Prestos is the fact that they're a lot more airy because of the materials that was made for it. Honestly, it's the perfect summer shoe. I mean, because of the way that the colors really are bright, and University Blue just somehow feels like a summer color. That coupled with the breathability for the shoe, your girl has hyperhidrosis, so her feet are always sweating. This shoe is ideal for the summer. I mean, I can also see getting an extremely dope shot in the winter time when it snows. But I wouldn't wear these in the winter. I mean, you'd be crazy too. These are the cutest little toddler sneakers I've seen in my life. I would say one of the biggest difference between the little toddler shoes and the adult shoes is the very back heel. You know, instead of that Hello Kitty face, you get one actually printed on to this plastic piece. But I mean, seriously, look how cute. I got these guys in 3C. Yeah, definitely want to mention that this came in full family size run, so mom, dad, and the kids of all sizes and ages can get the full shoe. A little bit of a size difference. I don't even know if I want kids, and like, I got this. It's just so cute. Thanks so much for tuning into this unboxing. Stay tuned for some on-foot footage. Would you pick up this sneaker? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.